Windows 365 Cloud PC. So let's go ahead and see what exactly is this offering from Microsoft. So it's a SaaS offering from Microsoft that streams a full Windows experience from M365 Cloud. Think it from a point of view that there is a virtual machine which is created somewhere in the backend and you're just accessing it. Okay, so it automatically creates a new Windows virtual machine known as Cloud PC for end users. Apart from that, each Cloud PC is personalized, dedicated Windows device that includes user desktop, app settings, and everything whatever is required. These users can go ahead and securely access this Cloud PC from any of the device where the internet connectivity is there. Right, so there are some prerequisites, especially when you are trying to create this particular Cloud PC. One is from the licensing point of view. So if you are selecting a size which is a Windows 365 Business Edition, you need a specific license for that specific Cloud PC size. If you're selecting a 365 Enterprise size, then there are three requirements, the top three requirements which you see: Windows 11 Enterprise, Intune, Entra ID Premium 1 license. These three are typically already bundled in your E3 or E5 license. Apart from that, you need a specific license which is associated with the size of that particular Cloud PC. Another thing which comes into picture is that where exactly or which network you want to go ahead and use. The simplest one is Microsoft hosted network, which is already created by Microsoft. They manage it. You just go ahead and create the Cloud PC and access it. But if you are having your Azure environment and you are connected with your hybrid and on-premise access is required, then you can use your own Azure network. Okay. Let's go ahead and see how you will go ahead and manage once the Cloud PC is there. So you can create the Cloud PC initially from your Intune portal, going to a specific place which is devices, and then there is a Windows 365 option available, create provision policy and all, which I would be showing it to you. Once it is created, you can access it over the browser, and you need to use windows365.microsoft.com portal, sign in with the user who is assigned with a license, or you can always go ahead and download this particular RDP and connect with your Cloud PC. These Cloud PCs can be resized and re-provisioned with the image also. So all these options are there. Let's see how you will go ahead and create this Cloud PC. So the very first step for creating a Cloud PC is to get a license. When I created this particular video, at that particular time, the trial licenses were available without credit card. So go into your purchase services, type in Windows 365, and you will get different options which are available for your Cloud PC. I have selected the Enterprise 365. And you will see that there are different plans which are available, and one of them is try for free with a particular size. There are different sizes which are available, and with different pricing which is available to you. So I'm just trying to show you different pricing which is available, though I will go ahead and select something which is freely available as of now. So 2 CPU, 8 GB, 128 GB RAM, start the free trial. And once you click on start free trial, you have to confirm your order. Try now. Now what I want to show you quickly is, after clicking try now, we will go onto our Intune portal, and you will see under devices there is an option available called Windows 365. Right now, when I'm trying to access it, it won't go ahead and show me anything till the time the license is acquired and assigned. So if I go ahead and continue, I have to go ahead and assign this license which I got to one of the users, so that I can go ahead and later on configure this particular thing for that particular user. So active user, and in this particular case I would be using MOD administrator. Select the MOD administrator, click on the licenses, and there will be a license available, 365 Enterprise with the size. Select that, save changes. Once this particular change is coming into effect, you can go into devices, refresh the particular page on Intune, and this time you will see that there are different options which are available, like all cloud PCs, provisioning policy, custom image. Okay, guys, you can always upload your own custom image if you want, if your company is using a specific image. Now, if you are not using it, the very first thing you have to come is provisioning policy. Give a particular name to your provisioning policy, whatever name you want to go ahead and give. Below you can see what kind of user would be joining. So whether you want Azure AD, Entra AD user, or a hybrid Azure AD join user, select one of that. We spoke about there are two types of networks, so Microsoft and Azure network. Select whichever one is convenient to you, and the region where you want to go ahead and access or put this particular cloud PC. Click next, and this is the place where you will get options for your images. If you have uploaded your image, you can choose the custom image. If you haven't, then there are certain gallery images which are available. Select and choose the ones which are available. In our case, we would be going ahead and selecting Windows 11 with M365 applications, the very first one which is there. So click on that, select, click next, and it asks you for language and service. Okay, auto patch is something which automatically updates your cloud PCs. Okay, right now I haven't set it up, so let it be. Now this is where I will go ahead and add the group with the user who has got the license. Now I already created a group called IT earlier, and my MOD administrator is part of that particular group. Click next and create. Now this provisioning policy takes quite some time because the image is getting built and all. I had created another provisioning policy earlier. I have kept it ready so that I can directly go ahead and show you how exactly the cloud PC is created. So in my test, the other provisioning policy, the cloud PC is already created, and you can see there is a name which is available for whatever name it has taken automatically. This is the automatic name which I have used right now. Now I need to go ahead and access this cloud PC which is created. So I need to go on to windows365.microsoft.com, and from there I will get options of connecting to this particular PC. I need to sign in with my actual user who has got the license. Once it comes up, you will see that there are especially two options. One is you can connect from the browser. So typically click on open in browser. Again, it will go ahead and ask you for some details. Depending on the internet, it will take its own time to connect to this particular cloud PC. Before starting, it will give you options like the printer, the clipboard, and maybe the sound part. These are some of the things. It will ask you that yes, we will connect with all these particular things on cloud PC from your device. So you can see printer, microphone, clipboard, and then there are some advanced settings. Click on connect, and once you click on connect, it will ask you for username, password. Remember, this is exactly the same username, password who has got the license, the ID which you are supposed to use. And you are connecting to your cloud PC over the browser. Again, as I said, depending on the internet, it can take its own time, and there you see it is connected with the cloud PC. Okay, this is on the browser. But let's say if I wanted to go ahead and download a RDP and connect it from my system itself rather than opening the browser. On the left hand side, you can see there is an option of download, and you have options for Windows, iOS, Mac, Android. I'll go ahead and download Windows RDP. Once you download this, something like this comes up. So you can see Cloud PC Enterprise option. You have to go ahead and double click on that. It opens up a typical RDP connection, the remote desktop connection, and you need to go ahead and put in your password, connect, and that's it. You are connected to your Cloud PC. Thank you guys for watching this video.